It's a beautiful morning. I think I'll go outside for a while and just smile, just taking some clean.